Nobody likes to lose power, but sometimes when a storm hits, it's inevitable. Having a home generator can offer more than just peace of mind. Check it out.
We've been in the Atlanta market a long time, and we've installed over 5,000 generators in the greater Atlanta area. I think what makes us different from other companies is the fact that we have so many factory-trained technicians, the fact that we have 24/7 service. Customers can call us in the middle of the night if they have a problem, and we can respond properly. And we send somebody out that has training that can take care of their product for them. We provide monitoring for their generators, so we watch them for them. Generac is the best because they are a very well-organized company, and they provide a level of support for the dealers, especially when there's an issue with warranty. We can go to them and find an answer quick.
Properly educating consumers helps them make the right decision on what type of generator will work.
Two types of generators that we have and that we sell are what is called a liquid-cooled and an air-cooled generator. Those generally differ in size, and the air-cooled are generators that are cooled by a fan that pulls the air through to cool the generator. Liquid-cooled generators actually have a radiator in them like your car does.
We provide turnkey solutions from the sale of the machine to the installation to the completion of the job. It can range from anything warranty related, a trouble call, or maintenance. For example, if we had a storm that was longer than 24 hours, we'll go out and we'll change oil, we'll do things like that for the customer to ensure that their backup system will continue to do the job that was designed to do.
They can even help you with financing.
Generac does offer financing for the customers. It's through a product called Synchrony. They will offer either interest-free for 18 months, or they can set you up on terms. And it's very convenient, very flexible, works very well for those that are interested in financing the product.
Having a home generator can actually save you money and keep your family safe.
When you have a generator and your power stays on, it's like everything is normal. So it could be raining, storming, thundering, lightning. Things can be crazy outside. You can be going through a hurricane, but you still have all the luxuries. Your food's not gonna spoil. Your lights are on. Your AC is working. Your internet and television is working. So it's like nothing has ever changed. You're just in your home living your best life.
Another important factor in having a generator is someone has medical conditions, an oxygen machine, stair lifts, elevators. You need to be able to move about, get up and down from your home. And the oxygen machine is another important thing. You only have so much bottled oxygen that you may have. If the generator is up and running, your oxygen machine is running, your medical needs are taken care of.
When you're looking for that perfect generator, Perkins Generator Sales and Service wants to hear from you.
The last thing you want when the power goes out is to have no lights and power in your home. So give us a call. We can help you with that.
Most people are nervous when they see the lights flicker and the power goes out in the home. People that have a generator just smile because they know that the power is gonna come back on no matter what happens around them.
For more information, visit GeneratorStore.com and go to our website, designingspaces.tv.